If you want to communicate science beyond your peers, you should be aware of two main groups of actors involved other than scientists: the science journalists and professional communicators who work in press offices or communication agencies. All three groups of actors, the communicators, the journalists, and the scientists, have their own interests and responsibilities. However, their roles have changed considerably over the last 2 decades. For example, public engagement is becoming increasingly important for scientists, much like myself. Many funding agencies ask us to provide a communication strategy with our research proposals. Admittedly, it has never been easier to start communicating as a scientist. You could register a social media account in just a few minutes, and almost every news channel and website allows online discussions directly in the comment section at the bottom of articles. We can publish longer form articles on our own blogs or on news sites such as The Conversation. Twitter in particular has become an important communication channel amongst researchers. Professional science communication is also experiencing a golden age right now. An explosion of formats and channels has led to the transformation of press offices at universities and research institutes into professional communication departments. In addition to traditional press work, they also run social media channels and regularly organise different outreach events. Journalists play an important role in this triangle of actors involved in science communication. While professional communicators align their message with the interests of their employers, the task of journalists is to contextualise and evaluate new research and report independently and critically. All three groups of actors, the scientists, professional communicators, and the journalist, play important roles in communicating science. They depend on each other. The recent role shifts pose some important and yet unresolved questions. For example, how can public engagement by scientists be adequately acknowledged and rewarded? And how can independent science journalism be saved?